Hey there, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. I'm here in the world headquarters for Meller Marketing, and today it's Monday, so that means it's Marketing Monday. Today I'd like to bring you a tip, and this tip involves just marketing your business, and specifically if you have upcoming events. So video is a great way of getting people excited about your upcoming events. So if you're not already doing this, I highly suggest get yourself, I have a little webcam that I'm looking at right now, get yourself a webcam. If you don't have that, you might have one of these wonderful little devices, smartphone, where you can just do a quick video tip and do a video promo of your upcoming event. So here's what I'm going to show you guys. I have up on screen a web page for mellermarketing.com where I list my upcoming events. So when I'm thinking about merchandising my event, I want to think about where could my audience be searching for it and where can my audience be found. So those are two separate categories. Where can they be searching for it? If they know it's an event that's offered by me or hosted by an organization, they're going to look on that organization's website. So I know that if you go to mellermarketing.com, you start off on the home page. In my top header bar, one of the prominent links is for upcoming events. So I would click on upcoming events, and that's where I would think to look for upcoming events. And then I see all upcoming events. I have online events, and I also have kind of a blend of in-person. So that's where I would look. And in here, as soon as I'm booked for an event, or as soon as you book somebody to speak at your organization, put that in your calendar. Even if it's 6 months from now, a year from now, a week from now, put it on there because people will look for that information. And then you can see here as we're scrolling down my page, you can see each of the upcoming events. This is a busy week for me. I've got 3 events this week. I'll be doing a Facebook Live on Tuesday. I'll be at Inbound 281 on Thursday, and then I'll be at the Rochester's Writers Conference at Oakland University on Saturday. So those are all listed. My next events after that, I'm going to be speaking at an Inform event in November. I'll be doing a Detroit SHRM event coming up in November as well. And then I'm doing a workshop through Meller Marketing in November. So all of the events I've been booked at, I'm listing those in there. And as I add in new events, I'm going to list them there as well. So that's place number 1. Put your events where people are going to be looking for them, and that is your organization's website. That's kind of your home base for all of these bits of information. The next thing would be making sure that they're linked on your social media and promoted on your social media. So here's what I'm going to show you guys. At the bottom of my screen here, you can see that I've got all my social media icons for all the different networks and sites where I can be found. And if I click on that Facebook icon, that's going to pop me over to facebook.com, Meller Marketing. We all know that Facebook is the largest social network. It's where most of the people can be found. Majority, or I should say the largest population of people on social media is on Facebook. Even though the audience is declining a bit, it's still the largest. So I know that a lot of people are hanging out on Facebook. So I'm going to put all of my events on my Facebook page. And you can see here that I'm on my Meller Marketing Facebook page. I have an events tab, and I'm going to scroll down, and you see all of those same events are listed here. So I want to make sure that I'm adding things in as I'm getting booked for events. And I'm going to just click on one here as an example, this October 17th event. This is hosted by both myself, Meller Marketing, as well as Inbound 281. So I've tagged them in the post, and that way they get a notification and they have the opportunity to add it to their events page as well. And you can see there, it's on their event page as well. So I'm promoting it in both of those places. And in addition, I'm going to go back to my webpage again for Meller Marketing. All of these social media icons, you could look at any of these, the major 4 networks, I should say, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and I will be promoting these upcoming events. Now, a good rule of thumb is after you have all the event details locked in and your registration is open, you should allow a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks to promote an event. And that just allows you adequate time for you to get the word out, for people to start spreading the word about your events, and also just for schedule availability. I don't know about you guys, but my week is usually booked up already for this week. So it may be this week and next week I have a little bit lighter availability. 2 to 3 to 4 weeks out, I'm a little bit more open in terms of what I can attend. Now, it doesn't mean you couldn't catch me this week, and if I found an event I was interested in, I may be still able to attend, but I have greater likelihood of being able to participate if it's further in advance. So that's why that 4 to 6 week timeline is really important. And then, so we're thinking about where are people looking for us? That's on our website. And then where can people find us? And this is a blend of push communications. A part of this is your social media. So making sure that you're promoting it on all of your social networks. And then the other part of this is making sure that, you know, if you have an email newsletter, you can see on my website, I have a subscribe link and people can join my email newsletter. So I'm going to be pushing this out periodically to my email list. And what I like to do is when I'm sending out emails, I don't want to just sell all the time. I want to inform, educate, give them some free tips and free samples of what I do. So I'm going to push out an email newsletter today with some free tips. It might be about a blog I just did, which is, you know, if you're an introvert attending a national conference, here are some tips to make it more manageable, more enjoyable for you. So I'm going to put that blog at the top, and then at the bottom of that email newsletter, I'll include all of my upcoming events so that people have the opportunity to register. So to summarize here, if you are promoting your events and you want to generate good attendance and good participation, think about where people are looking for that information. That's your website. And then how you can push that out in other ways. And that's a blend of both your social media, your email newsletter, and also engaging your partners and fellow speakers to help spread the word as well. So that's been it, guys. This is Meller Marketing Monday with Brenda Meller. I'm just going to take a quick peek to see. I don't anticipate there's anybody watching in live here, but I'll just take a quick peek to see. And I may start doing these series every Monday. I'm kind of testing this out right now. I might start doing these on YouTube Live and possibly in the future, if I get approved, LinkedIn Live as well. But I love sharing marketing tips with the community. I'm going to try to figure out a good time of day that works with my schedule and something that I can start sharing these out with you. So that's it. If you have any comments or questions or suggestions, maybe you have ideas on something I could feature in a Meller Marketing Monday, let me know. I'd like to focus on marketing tips for small businesses, for entrepreneurs, for organizations as well. So do leave a comment below, even if you're watching this video in playback, and I'll be sure to take a peek at that and I will reply back to you. Whatever network you're following this on, guys, please make sure that you're liking, following, subscribing to my channel. I think you can see, let me see here. I'm going to stop my screen share because you can see over my shoulder here. I'm gonna go this, you can like me on social networks. Have a great day. This has been Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. I look forward to sharing additional Meller Marketing Monday tips with you in the future. Have a great one. Thank you for watching.